When you have an accident on the road, what should you do? Welcome everyone to looking this video. Today we want to present our innovations. Sign Safe Side Traffic Cone for Safety. My name is Tanay Suktalom.
And my name is ลักษณีนพน้อยเสรีวงศ์
We are from
Princess จุฬาภรณ์ Science High School ปทุมธานี
Thailand.
Traffic cone at either side or emergency or set up as a landmark are difficult to carry, resulting most road users do not choose to carry.
I have an idea about the traffic cone to reduce the weight, save the storage space, and also we have a signboard to have a clear message for another road user. And the signboard is will be the packaging to protect about the shocking of the innovation. And also, the most benefits of my innovation is decrease about the rate of the accident.
The innovation is waterproof because the siloxane is coated outside the traffic cone. I believe that the workpiece can help solve to the emergency situation on the road perfectly. It also helps to reduce mortality on the road.
Our innovation, there should be other additional function by allowing the LED to shine from the traffic cone to solve the problem. In addition, sometimes the traffic cone does not have clear message. We can use LED light to have a clear message too.
Experiment with the target audience because we don't know whether the target group will be satisfied with the work or work to meet the target group or not, because we want to develop the best work and create the most satisfaction for user. We really want our work to be able to use in our life. The most proud thing is when the work is complete and can solve the problem at the point. There is another factor when users use our work piece in a real life situation and can help them.